Let's break down how to perform one of the most effective core exercises out there, the ab roller. Start on your knees with the ab roller positioned in front of you on the floor. Grip the handles firmly and engage your core. This is key to protecting your lower back. From this kneeling position, slowly roll the wheel forward. Keep your arms straight but not locked, and let your torso follow in a straight line. Go only as far as you can while maintaining tension in your core and avoiding any arching in the lower back. Pause briefly at the bottom. This is where your abs are working hardest. Then slowly pull the roller back towards your knees using your core, not your hips or arms. Keep the motion slowly and controlled. Avoid rushing or bouncing. This isn't about speed, it is about control and stability. Start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, depending on your strength level. If you're just beginning, limit your range of motion or roll out to a wall for a safer stop point. Ab rollers target not just your abs, but your entire core, including your obliques, lower back, and even your shoulders. Form is everything here. If your back starts to sag, you've gone too far. Keep it tight, keep it safe. Like, comment, and share if you're ready to roll into a stronger core.